Home design plans, unique style options and considerations. Choosing the best home design plans is a difficult task. Because there are so many different options out there, it can be confusing to keep track of everything that you have to choose from. Figuring out the best design involves looking at the options, so here are some great ideas to help you start your search for the perfect home design plans. Architectural. These plans are all about architectural style, providing larger floor space and more unique details that will surely catch the eye of anyone looking at your house. Lofty ceilings and open floor plans are a must-have, along with unique architectural elements that add a touch of beauty and elegance to every residence. Classic. Classic home design plans feature an upper-market version of traditional weatherboard houses, and are available in single and two-story designs.